Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter permutation and combination. Before that, to refresh our mind, let's do Brahmanath. Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, today we are going to discuss some more problems of the topic, that is combination. Okay, some questions are here. Now short question first. Number one is, a polygon has 44 sides, the number of sides is dash. Number of sides, a polygon has what? 44 diagonals. The number of, that is, a polygon has 44 diagonals, the number of sides is equal to 44 diagonals. 44 diagonals, the number of sides is dash. Number of sides is equal to, that is, suppose let the number of sides is what? N. Let question 1 is, a polygon has 44 diagonals. This is diagonals. 44 diagonals. 44 diagonals, the number of sides is equal to that dash. Solution of question number 1, let the number of sides of the polygon is n. We know number of what? We know number of what? Diagonal formula. What is the number of diagonal formula? Number of diagonal formula. Number of diagonal is what? Number of diagonal equal to, let the number of sides of a polygon is n. So number of, by formula, number of diagonal is equal to what? N into n minus 3 by 2. According to question, what? Number of diagonal is equal to 44. So this is equal to n in, that implies n into n minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 44. That implies n into n minus 3 is equal to 44 into 2. That is what? 88. So this is 3 serial number, or you can solve it, that is what? N square minus 3n minus 88 is equal to 0. Break the middle term, that is n square, that is n square minus 11 n plus 8n minus 88 is equal to 0. So take common here n minus 11, here 8, what is that? That is n minus 11 is equal to 0. N minus 11 into n plus 8 is equal to 0. So n minus 11 is equal to 0, or n is equal to what? 11. Here n plus 8 is equal to 0, n equal to minus 8, which is impossible, because number of diagonals cannot be, number of sides cannot be negative. So this is impossible. Now question number 2, everybody in a room shakes hand with everybody else, then total number of handshakes is 64. Then find the total number of persons in that room. Total number of persons in that room. Now solution of question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Everybody in a room shakes hand with everybody else. The total number of handshakes is 66. Then total number of persons in that room is dash. This is the question. Now solution of question number 2. Solution of question number 3, that is what? Solution of question number 2, how many triangles? Question number 2 is complete or not? Again repeat question number 2, that is what? Number of everybody in a room handshake with everybody else. The total number of handshake is what? 66. That is shortcut for 1 mark. This will be what? Number of handshakes, NC, solution of 2, that is NC2 is equal to 66. NC2 means what? N into n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial equal to 66. That implies what? N minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial into n minus 1 into n by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to 66. So this goes cancel. That implies n minus 1 into n, 2 into 2 factorial means 2, 2 into 60, that is 132. So n minus 1 into n is equal to 11 into 12. This is n is equal to what? 12. Or you may take the what? Quadratic equation. You can solve using the quadratic equation. Now question number 3, that is solution of question number 2. Now question number 3 is number of triangles. Number of triangles can be drawn joining the 12 points. So solution of 3, that is number of triangles can be drawn by joining 12 points on a plane. Condition is that 7 points are in one line, that is 7 points are in one line. So number of triangles given, solution given points, number of points is equal to what? 12. Number of points is equal to what? Collinear points is equal to 7. 7 टा collinear अच्छी माने suppose P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7 गोटे लाइन रे मान रहले, गोटे लाइन रे आ बाकी पॉइंट्स अच्छी केते? अब 5 पॉइंट्स एपट सेपट अच्छी, कोलिनियर नहीं एपट सेपट. ओके एमती अच्छी सपोज ये 5 पॉइंट्स. तो नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल्स केमती हम ना टोटाल पॉइंट हूँ ट्रायंगल, नंबर ऑफ ट्रायंगल केमती हम टोटाल 3 पॉइंट्स नेले गोटे ट्रायंगल हो, 3टा पॉइंट नेले नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट नेले गोटे ट्रायंगल हो. तो टोटाल पॉइंट केते अच्छी 12 पॉइंट. द नंबर ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 12C3. 12C3 भितर एटा इनक्लूड हो ये ट्रायंगल हेनी भाई, ये ट्रायंगल हेनी स्ट्रेट लाइन हो. तो ये भितर केते अच्छी ना 6C3 टा इनक्लूड हो, तेणु -6C3 करवा आंसर. एटा कैलकुलेट करियो, वैल्यू पकेबो. Calculate this. Okay, calculate this. This is solution of question number 3. Now how many triangles can be drawn joining the vertices of a regular hexagon and also center? Okay, now number of triangles, question number that is what? 4. Now solution of question number 4, how many triangles can be drawn by joining the vertices and the center of the regular hexagon Okay, so regular hexagon, that is here hexagon means how many vertices? 6 vertices. Hexagon means 6 vertices. This is suppose 1. Regular means each sides are equal in length. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is what? This is, so that is here solution of question number 4. So this is 5, this is 5, and this is what? This is 6, this is 6, this is 6. This is regular section, A side having equal in length, and center number of points is what? 6 vertices, and that is all hexagon having 6 vertices. Hexagon has 6 vertices, and the triangles are drawn by joining the vertices and the center. The triangles are drawn by joining the vertices and center also, center. So number of points here, that is 7. So number of points is equal to what? 7. A triangle can be possible by joining 3 non-collinear points. So number of triangles means what? Number of triangles are formed by joining what? 7 points. 7 points that is equal to 7C3. This is a triangle there, 7C3. This is a triangle, this is a triangle, this is another triangle, this is another triangle, this is another triangle, this is another. But the diagonals are, this is diagonal, this is diagonal, this is diagonal, this is diagonal, but the diagonals are not what? But the diagonals are not a triangle. Clear? But the diagonals are what? Not a triangle. Clear? These are what? 1, 2, 3. Minus number of triangle. Minus what? Number of triangle. So that is what? 7C3 minus number of triangle is equal to what? 1, 2, and this is 3, minus 3. So the diagonals cannot be a triangle, so minus what here? That is what? 7C3 minus 3 is here. Here 3 is number of diagonal. Minus 3 due to the diagonals cannot be triangle. So this is minus 3. 7C3 means what? 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial minus 3. That is equal to what? That is equal to 4 factorial cancel. 4 factorial cancel, 5 into 6 into 7 divided by 3 factorial means 6 minus 3. So this goes cancel, that is 35 minus what? 35 minus 3. 35 minus 3, that is equal to 32. So number of what? Number of triangle is what? 32. Now general formula for number of triangle joining the vertices and center of the regular polygon. General formula notes. General formula, in general, that is note, in general, the vertices, number of triangles can be formed by joining what? By joining number of triangle can be formed by joining the vertices vertices of a polygon, vertices n vertices of the polygon, n vertices of a regular polygon of a regular polygon with its center is n plus 1 C3 minus n by 2. Here n should be what? Where n is even. So apply for the question number 4, use this formula. The hexagon means what? N equal to 6. So 6 plus 1, 3 minus 6 by 3, that is equal to 7C3 minus 3. This is answer, that is 32. This is shortcut method. Okay. Now solution of question number 5. Question number 5. Factors of question number 5, that is what? Factors of what? Now question number 5, number of factors of 1155 which are divisible by 3. तो फास्ट कौन करिबा 1155 को आमे बाहर कर 3 रे 3 2 जा 9 and 3 8 जा 24 3 5 जा again 5 5 25 again 7. This is divisible by what? Divisible by 1155, divisible by 3. Factors having divisible by 1 by. So find the factors, that is what? 1155 divided 3, that is 3 3 are what? 9, and this is what? Remaining is what? 2 25, 3 8 are 24 1, so 3 5 are 15. That is here. Again 5 means what? 5 7. 5 7. Then 7 11. So the factors divisible by 3. So the factors divisible by 3 may be 3 itself or 3 is multiplied with any one of the other, any one of what? 5 7 11, or 3 is multiplied with any two of 5 7 11, or 3 is multiplied with all 5 7 11. এটা বুঝি দিও 3 टा जो फैक्टर बाहर 3 गोटे बाहर से सिंगल आसो ना एमान सहित गोटे गोटे मल्टीप्लाई हेले हेबो ना दीटा सहित मान 3 5 7 हो पारे 3 7 11 हो पारे एमती ना 3 5 7 इन सब जगह मल्टीप्लाई हो पारे तो 3 फास्ट 3 निजे एलोन आसो 3 क्या सहित आसोनी ए 3टा भितर क्या सहित आसोनी दैट इज व्हाट नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स नंबर के 5 7 3 3टा अच्छी ए 3टा सहित क्या सहित 3 मल्टीप्लाई हेबनी 3C0 ए 3टा भितर जन सहित मल्टीप्लाई एटलिस्ट 3C1 ए 3टा सहित गोटे सिलेक्शन एथरो 3 2टा सिलेक्शन करी एथरो 2टा सिलेक्शन 3 सहित मल्टीप्लाई करी 3C2 एतो सब जा सिलेक्शन करी 3 मल्टीप्लाई करी माने 3C3 तो फार्मूला अनुसार NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 is equal to what? 2 to the n, that is 2 to the power 3, 8. So the number of factors which is divisible by, that is 8, less than 50 less 7 लिखता तो ना factors less than 50 थिले कौन लिखता तो ये नंबर टाको छाड़ी की 7 लिखता तो अला including ये होची including that number including what 1155 excluding 115 means what 7 excluding 115 means what you should write 7 here, that is how to repeat course देखो the number of factors काढिबा एमते एलसीएम काढला काढिबा तापरे ए 3 आसला 3 टू एथरु गोटे सिलेक्शन करी 3टा भितर गोटे सिलेक्शन फर्स्ट 3 एलोन आसीबो का को सिलेक्शन करबी 3टा भितर का को नहीं तो 3C0 ए 3टा तुम ए 3 भाबिबोनी ए 3टा केतरा नंबर अछि 3 को छाडी 1 2 3 ए 3टा भितरु किछि सिलेक्शन करबी नहीं 3C0 ए 3टा भितर गोटे सिलेक्शन करबी आ सहित मल्टीप्लाई करबी 3C1 ए 3टा भितर 2टा सिलेक्शन करबी आ सहित मल्टीप्लाई करबी 3C2 ए 3टा भितर सिलेक्शन कर दी सब जागा 3 सहित मल्टीप्लाई 28. Now these are the some questions regarding to the combination. Now some other questions and question is how many words with or without meaning can be formed by using the letters of the word booklet. So solution is what? Solution booklet. Number of letters here, number of letters that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Number of different letters that is B O K L E T. So different letters is what? Number of different letters, that is number of different 6. So we have to form how many 4 letter word? How many? That is question is how many 4 letter word? How many 4 letter words? 4 lettered words. Question is how many 4 letters words with or without meaning can be formed by using the letters of the word booklet. So first case 1 4 lettered words with different letters. 4 lettered words of different letters. So there are 4 places for 4 letter words. All are different. So number of different letters is equal to 6. 6 from out of 6 we have to choose 4. 4 letters can be selected out of 6 is equal to 6C4. 4 letters arranged. 4 letters are arranged is equal to number of selection into 4 factorial, that is 6C4 into 4 factorial. 6C4 means what? 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4, 2 factorial into 4 factorial into 4 factorial here. So 4 factorial goes cancel. Now 6 factorial means what? 720. 6 factorial means what? 5 factorial means what? 120 into 6. That is 720 by 2 is equal to 360. So all 4 letters are what? Different. The number of words is 360. Now case 2. Case 2. 2O. Repeated letters what? Here repeated letters. Repeated letters that is OO. OO. So 4 letter words. 4 lettered words. Where 2O. 2 O's and 2 different. So 2O are 2 different. That is what? Consider the repeated set is 1 here. So gote set neijba, gote pair neba 1C1. It 1 means what? 1 pair into remaining what? Besides A, besides O को छाड़ी आउ केते लेटर हला 5टा लेटर हला 5टा रो एटी 1 पेयर माने 2टा सिलेक्शन हेची आउ 2टा 5C2 तो हम केतेटा सिलेक्शन कली 4टा सिलेक्शन करिची इनटू अरेंजमेंट माने 4 फैक्टोरियल 2टा O अछि बाय 2 फैक्टोरियल very important. So 1C1 means what? 1. 5C2 means 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Now calculate this. This is 5 factorial means what? 3 factorial into 4 into 5 divided by 3 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 and 2 factorial means 2 and this is what? 4 factorial. 4 factorial means what? This is 4 factorial means 16. So 3 cancel here and what? 2 to 4 cancel, that is 80. So number of 4 letter words. Therefore number of 4 letter words. Number of 4 lettered words is equal to 360 plus 80. 360 plus 80, that is 0, 440. Okay, this is so this is what? 4 factorial means this calculation, this 4 factorial means what? 24. That is 24. That is what? 4 factorial means 24 and this is calculate this 5 factorial. 5 factorial means what? 3 factorial into 4 into 5 by 3 factorial into 2 and this is what? 4 factorial means 24 by what? This is 2. So 3 factorial cancel here. 2 to 4 cancel it, that is 120. So this is 360 plus 120, that is 480. So 4 letter word, number of 4 letter word is equal to 480. Okay. Now another question based on this concept. Find the number of ways in which arrangement of 4 letters can be made from the letters of the word. Proportion. Solution. Proportion. Number of letters what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of letters is equal to what? 10. Number of letters is equal to 10. Different letters different letters, that is P, R, O, P, R, O, T, I, N, P, P, R, O, T, I, N. So number of different letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of different letters 6. Repeated letters repeated letters, that is P, 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 double P, 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 and R, 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 O, triple O, triple O, and triple O. So 4 lettered words we have to form 4 lettered words, 4 lettered words with or without meaning, without meaning थाओ कि मान थाओ आमको अरेंज करियो पड़ी क्वेश्चन रे देछ. ओके, सो केस 1, all 4 letters are different. Letters are different. तो डिफरेंट लेटर्स केतुटा अच्छे हमरो 6 अच्छे. तो 6 to 6 सिलेक्शन कली, 6 to 4 सिलेक्शन कली, ताकू अरेंजमेंट करिवे ना 4 फैक्टर इनटू. तो एटा कैलकुलेशन करो. एटा कैलकुलेशन आसले दिस इज 6 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय 2 फैक्टोरियल इनटू 4 फैक्टोरियल इनटू 4 फैक्टोरियल है. So 4 factorial goes cancel, that is 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial means 720 divided by 2, that is equal to 360. This is case 1. So case 2 1 3 same means what? 3 same means 3 O's and one different तीनटा वाला केतुटा सेट अच्छे? गोटे सेट अच्छे. तीनटा वाला गोटे सेट रो गोटे सेट सिलेक्शन कली. एडी गोटे सेट माने 3 कौन पे? तीनटा वाला गोटे सेट अच्छे, तेतु गोटे सेट सिलेक्ट 3टा फिलअप हो गला, 3टा बॉक्स फिलअप हो गला, आ बाकी रहला गोटे बॉक्स. डिफरेंट लेटर कौन अच्छी? ओटा सरी आउ रहा 5टा रू कौन कहते गोटे सिलेक्शन. एडी 1C1 एडी 1 सेट. एटा 1 सेट माने 3टा वाला थिबा सेट गोटे अच्छे, 3टा फिलअप हो गला. ओटा फिलअप गला परे आउ 5टा यूज होइनी, 5टा रू गोटे ये ओ 3टा आ गोटे अलग लेटर 4टा हो गला. तो 4टा हेले मो 4टा को सिलेक्शन करी, अरेंज करी 4 फैक्टर, जेहेतु 3टा ओ सेम अच्छी तो डिवाइड बाय 3 फैक्टोरियल करी. तो 5C1 माने 5, 4 फैक्टोरियल मीन्स व्हाट? 3 फैक्टोरियल इनटू 4 बाय 3 फैक्टोरियल. ए 3 फैक्टोरियल कैंसिल होला तो रहला 20. एटा 20, 3 आर सेम एंड 3 डिफरेंट, 20 आसला. केस 3 2 डिफरेंट ऑफ वन काइंड. Case 3 2 same of 2 different 2 same, 2 different or 2 same 2 different, 2 same or alike, 2 alike means same and 2 different. दीटा सेम थी, दीटा डिफरेंट थी. सेम थी केतुटा सेट अच्छी? सेम थिबा 3टा सेट अच्छे. तो 3C2 3टा सेट रू सॉरी गोटे सेट मु बोली 3टा सेट रू गोटे सेट माने कौन? ये 2 एलाइक माने 2टा सिलेक्शन है. ये 3टा सेट भितर गोटे सेट 2टा वाला सेट तो गोटे 1 2 3 अच्छी गोटे सेट 1 पेयर कली बाकी रहा दुईटा बॉक्स टोटाल 6 रु डिफरेंट 6 रु दुईटा बॉक्स दुईटा लेटर यूज हो रहा 4टा लेटर रु दुईटा लेटर सिलेक्शन कली तो टोटाल ये 1 पेयर यहाँ हूँ 1 पेयर मैंने 2 to 4 सिलेक्शन इंटू 4 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय दुईटा सेम अच्छी तेणु 2 फैक्टोरियल तो 3C1 मान कौन 3C1 मान 3 इंटू 4C2 मान 4 इंटू 3 by 2 4 into 3 by 2 or you can write 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial तो 3 4 factorial माने केते होची 24 4 factorial माने 24 एटा होची 2 into 2 into 2 2 तो 8 हला 8 हेले केते होची 2 8 24 into 24 so this will be what 24 into 24 24 into 24 is equal to how much देखो ये 3टा सेट रो गोटे सेट यूज है 2 लाइक 2 डिफरेंट 3टा सेट लाइक सेट 3टा अच्छी से गोटे सेट है माने और रहा 6 रु गोटे टाइप यूज हो 5 टाइप रहा दिस इज व्हाट 5 टाइप दिस इज 5-6टा टाइप रो गोटे टाइप यूज हो गला मतलब 5टा डिफरेंट अच्छी 5टा डिफरेंट तो 2 काढ़ी टोटाल ये 1 पेयर मान कौन 2 to 4 है 4 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय 4 फैक्टोरियल तो 3C1 मान 3 5C2 मान व्हाट 5 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय 3 factorial into 2 factorial and this is 4 factorial this is 2 factorial this is 2 factorial so 4 factorial by what 2 factorial means 2 so 3 into 5 factorial means what 3 into 4 into 5 divided by 3 factorial into 2 and this is 4 factorial by 2 so 3 factorial cancel and 4 here cancel and this is 15 into what 24 15 into 24 that is 24 calculate this 15 into 24 means what 60 15 30 360 this is equal to what this is equal to that is solution is calculate this that is 15 into 24 15 into 24 60 this is equal to 360 now case 3 is over now case 4 case 4 is what case 4 2 alike of one kind 2 alike of one kind and 2 alike of another kind तो 4टा रु 2टा सेम आउ 2टा आउ गोटे प्रकार सेम तो सेम केतोटा सेट अच्छी 3टा सेट अच्छी 3टा सेट मु केतोटा सेट करी सिलेक्शन 4टा लेटर माने 2टा सेट सिलेक्शन करी 2टा लेटर सिलेक्शन करी एबे कौन हो देख टोटाल 4टा सिलेक्शन करी अरेंज करी 4 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय 2 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल 3C2 माने 3 आसीबो 4 फैक्टोरियल माने 24 डिवाइड 2 into 2 that is 4 this is 3 into 6 that is equal to 18 therefore number of 4 letters words number of 4 lettered words is equal to first 360 then 20 then 360 then 18 so add this that is 360 720 360 360 that is what 720 plus 30 that is 758 360 that is 720 plus 20 plus 18 38 that is 857 758 is the answer. Now some more concept regarding the grouping permutation okay, another concept. Now grouping of objects, first condition, that is division of items into groups of unequal size. Division of items into unequal groups, groups of unequal size, groups of unequal size. So division of groups into items, into groups of unequal size. आर मीनिंग है देख तुम अच्छी सपोज 12 मैंगोस अच्छी मु दुईटा ग्रुप करी गोटे 5 थी आ गोटे 7 थी अनइक्वाल्स ग्रुप है ना अनइक्वाल साइज है एमती केतेटा वे 5 7 को मु ग्रुपिंग करि परिबी अनइक्वाल साइज रे सेटा होची आर कंडीशन माने कांसेप्ट ओके। तो लिखियो फर्स्ट if there is number of ways, first number of ways, number 1 number of ways m plus n, number of ways m plus n plus p, number of ways n plus in which m plus n plus p item can be divided into unequal groups containing m and p items. So number of ways in which m plus n plus p number of items divided into groups, three groups containing m number of items, n items, and p number of items is equal to formula is what m plus n plus p factorial divide by m factorial into n factorial into p factorial. एटा केमती है देख प्रूफटा कही दूसरी लिखि दूसरी टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स कौन थिला टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स थिला m plus n plus p थिला फर्स्ट m टा को अलग ग्रुप कर दी ए टोटल भितर m टा को सिलेक्शन करी तो लिखि परिबी कोन ना फर्स्ट सिलेक्ट m ग्रुप्स select m objects m item from m plus n plus p is equal to what? Now this is equal to m plus n plus p c m एति रहला तापर सिलेक्शन करी select n items तो m टा सरी जाइछि m plus n plus p रु m टा बाहर कर देछि रहिला n plus p रहिला आइटम्स from n plus p, that is equal to n plus p Cn. ଏବେ n ଟା ସରି ଯାଇଛି, select p items from p, that is equal to PCP. So total of our selection, therefore number of selection is equal to m plus n plus p Cm into n plus p Cn into what? PCP. এটা ক্যালকুলেশন করলে কেতে আসছে না m plus n plus p factorial divide by m plus n plus p minus m, that is n plus p factorial into n plus p factorial divide by n plus p minus n, and this is what? N plus p factorial, and this is m factorial here. So this is equal to what? N plus p factorial into m factorial. Now n plus p minus n, that is p factorial into n factorial. PCP means what? 1. NCN means 1. So this term goes cancel. So remaining is what? M plus n plus p factorial divided by m factorial into p factorial into n factorial. This is only grouping. ये जो ग्रुप कली आपको 3 जन भितर मु डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करी. सेकेंड कंडीशन एटा ग्रुप होला, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन 3टा पर्सन को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करी केमि हबो. नाउ नंबर ऑफ वेज, डिवीजन ऑफ अनइक्वल आइटम्स इनटू ग्रुप्स ऑफ अनइक्वल साइज. सेकेंड पार्ट is what? Second part is same thing. Number of ways, that's part 2. Number of ways in which m plus n plus t item divided into 3 groups containing distributed among, divide मतलब कौन होगा? Distributed among 3 persons. Distributed among 3 persons. 3टा ग्रुप करदे एति फॉर्मूला हम 3टा पर्सन को मुझे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करी इंटू के बड़ी इंटू 3 फैक्टोरियल हो बुझिपार. 3टा ग्रुप अनइक्वल ग्रुप कले 3 फैक्टोरियल रही 3 पर्सन्स भीतर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कले इंटू 3 फैक्टोरियल रही. दिस इज अनइक्वल साइज. नाउ division of items into groups of equal size. This is type A. Type पर 2टा पॉइंट अच्छी. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव among 3 persons among अच्छी, आउट ग्रुपिंग अच्छी. ओनली ग्रुपिंग माने सेतिक फैक्टोरियल रहबोनी. 3टा ग्रुप कली माने आउ 3 फैक्टोरियल रहबोनी. 3 जण भितर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कली 3टा पर्सन को बोले 3 फैक्टोरियल रहबो. नाउ type 2, division of items into groups of equal size. Case 1, mn number of items, that is what? mn number of items can be divided equally into m groups. mn number of items can be divided into m groups equally, n groups equally. That is, each group contains n items. So number of grouping, such grouping, number of such grouping is equal to mn factorial. मैं m टा ग्रुप करछि, प्रति ग्रुप रे n टा लगे मिलियो n factorial into n factorial into n factorial dot dot up to m terms, m da group ଅଛି. So that is n factorial divide by n factorial to the power m, n factorial to the power m. जेहेतु आइडेंटिकल अच्छी इक्वल साइज अच्छी तो कौन हो पारे फाइनाली एमडा ग्रुप आइडेंटिकल अच्छी एमडा ग्रुप आइडेंटिकल अच्छी तेणु 1/m फैक्टोरियल हेब. जदि मुझे कौन n पर्सन भितर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कली m पर्सन्स यार केस टू mn number of items mn number of items can be equally divided, equally distributed among m persons is equal to same concept रहिबो mn factorial एति ग्रुप हला डिवाइड बाय n factorial to the power m एति ग्रुप हला इनटू एति नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप हला का भीतर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करियो m जण भीतर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट तो इनटू m factorial कर दबो तो कैंसिल हला. फाइनल आंसर होची केते mn factorial डिवाइड बाय n factorial होल टू द पावर m. जदि ग्रुपिंग करिबो 1/m फैक्टोरियल रहबो जदि एमंग m पर्सन भितर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करिबो आउ m फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड ही रहबोनी. एटा होच कांसेप्ट. नाउ सम क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस कांसेप्ट. हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट वेज 20 apples can be divided into 3 groups containing 3, 5, 12 apples. Also find the number of ways this can be distributed among 3 persons. Solution. Number of apples 20. Number of groups is equal to 3. Groups contain 3, 5, 12 apples. The number of distributed, number of ways grouped is equal to total what 20 factorial divide by 3 factorial into 5 factorial into 12 factorial this is and calculate this. Now number of ways first portion is over divided over. Now second portion this can be distributed among 3 persons is equal to this amount 20 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 factorial into 12 factorial into 3 factorial. So calculate this and write the answer. This is unequal size. Now equal size. How many different ways 20 apples can be distributed equally among 3 persons. So 3 equally means what? What a person number, that is solution. Number of apples is equal to 12. Number of apples is equal to what? 12. Number of persons is equal to 3. Equally distributed. So each getting 4 apples. So number of distribution, number of ways distributed, number of ways ways of distribution is equal to 12 factorial divided by गोटे केते पड़ुछि 4 लाख पड़ुछि तो 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 4 factorial एति वेरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो तो 12 factorial divided by 4 factorial whole cube divided by 4 factorial whole cube. Calculate this. This is answer. Now other concept. Now number of non-negative solution of x1 plus x2 plus x3 dot dot up to xn is equal to r, where r is integer, positive integer, where r belongs to w is equal to formula is what? Number of such formula is, the formula is given by n minus 1 plus r CR. This is trick. N minus 1 plus r CR. This is the number of solution. Number of non-negative integer. Non-negative number of solution of, that is number of, find the number of non-negative solution. Number of non-negative integer solution of the equation x1 plus x2 plus x dot x, this is equal to n minus 1 plus r CR. This is formula. So for example, suppose find the number of non-negative integer solution of, that is x1 plus x2 is equal to 3. Suppose, simple question, here n is equal to what? Here n is equal to 2, r is equal to what? R is equal to 3. Number of solution is equal to what? N minus r plus 1 CR, that is equal to n minus r, that is what? N plus 1. This is the solution is what? Formula is n minus 1 plus r CR. So n means what? N is equal to 2, that is 2 minus 1 plus 3 C3. So this is equal to what? 4C3 is equal to what? 4C3 means 4. Number of non-negative solution answer asla 4. Kem dela na aku solve koriya negative solution number integer na kan x1 plus x2 equal to kete x1 plus x2 equal to 3 तो कौन इंटीजर डले 3 हो माइनस नंबर एला हो फ्रैक्शन नंबर एला हो तो 0 हे परिबो 3 हे परिबो 0 हे परिबो डेटा सॉल्यूशन आउट सॉल्यूशन 1 2 आउट 2 1 माने x1 0 x2 3 x2 x1 3 x2 0 x1 x2 1 2 हे परिबो 4 आंसर एमदी बोर्ड दे देतो x1 plus x2 plus x3 dot dot up to x2 7 देतो 60 देतो नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन किन करियो नंबर ऑफ से फार्मूला n minus 1 n ना कितने 7 minus 1 नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन नंबर ऑफ non-negative solution non-negative এটা একটা কোশ্চেন করছি suppose find the non-negative integral solution find the number of non-integral solution of the equation x1 x2 x3 dot x7 is equal to 6 तो solution आंसर कौन लिख करेगा number of non-negative integral solution. Integral solution is equal to formula n minus 1, n which is 7, minus 1 plus what, r which is 60, c r which is 60. तो এটা 67 minus 1 কেতে 67 66 c 60 এটা ক্যালকুলেশন করব r ভ্যালু যদি হেব নম্বর অফ সলিউশন r ভ্যালু যেতিকি আসিব number of solutions সেতিকি করিব বুঝিল these are some so now how to find non-integral solution of the equation contains n number of variable and some constant. This should be positive. These are the some very important concepts of the chapter combination. So read and watch the video again and again and try to understand the concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.